What is the theory of invention?
The theory of invention is a groundbreaking framework that elucidates the fundamental principles underlying the process of invention. It provides a systematic approach to understanding how inventions are conceived, developed, and implemented to address various needs and challenges in society. Essentially, it serves as a guiding framework for inventors, scientists, entrepreneurs, and innovators to conceptualize, design.
How did you come up with the theory of invention?
I developed the theory of invention through years of rigorous research, observation, and analysis of historical and contemporary inventions. My journey began with a curiosity to understand the underlying patterns and mechanisms that drive the process of invention. I studied countless examples of inventions across different fields and industries, identifying commonalities and recurring themes that led to breakthrough innovations. Through this process, I synthesized my findings into a cohesive framework that became the theory of invention.
Why is the theory of invention important?
The theory of invention is important because it provides a structured approach to innovation that can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the invention process. By understanding the key components and principles outlined in the theory, inventors and innovators can streamline their creative process, identify opportunities for innovation, and overcome challenges more effectively. Moreover, the theory of invention fosters interdisciplinary collaboration and encourages the exploration of new ideas and technologies, ultimately leading to the development of groundbreaking solutions to complex problems.
Can you give an example of the theory of invention in action?
Certainly. An example of the theory of invention in action is the development of the smartphone. In this case, the subject of the invention is the smartphone itself. The verb is the function it performs, communication, computation, etc. And the object is the various components that make up the device, screen, processor, battery, etc. Additionally, the fact component encompasses the scientific principles and technological advancements that enable the smartphone to function, such as semiconductor technology and wireless communication protocols. The frame component pertains to the design and form factor of the smartphone, while the motive component reflects the underlying purpose or need for such a device in modern society. Finally, the inspiration component may stem from previous innovations in telecommunications, computing, or consumer electronics, as well as societal trends and demands for connectivity and mobility.
What are the key components of the theory of invention?
The key components of the theory of invention include the subject, verb, object, fact, frame, motive, and inspiration. Each of these components plays a crucial role in shaping the invention process and determining the outcome of the invention. The subject represents the entity or concept being invented, the verb denotes the action or function performed by the invention, and the object refers to the main tool or component used to achieve the desired outcome. The fact component encompasses the scientific principles, laws, or phenomena that underpin the invention, while the frame component relates to the design, structure, or framework within which the invention operates. The motive component reflects the underlying purpose or intention driving the invention, while the inspiration component encompasses the sources of creativity, insight, or influence that inspire the invention.
How does the theory of invention differ from other theories of innovation?
The theory of invention differs from other theories of innovation in its focus on the specific process and components involved in conceiving, developing, and implementing new inventions. While other theories of innovation may provide broader frameworks for understanding the innovation process or fostering a culture of creativity and entrepreneurship, the theory of invention offers a more granular and systematic approach to invention itself. It provides inventors, scientists, and entrepreneurs with a structured methodology for generating ideas, identifying opportunities, and overcoming obstacles in the invention process. Additionally, the theory of invention emphasizes the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration, scientific rigor, and creative thinking in driving successful innovations.
What inspired you to develop the theory of invention?
My inspiration for developing the theory of invention stemmed from a deep fascination with the process of innovation and a desire to uncover the underlying principles that govern it. Throughout my career, I had the opportunity to work on various research projects and collaborate with inventors and innovators from diverse backgrounds. I observed firsthand the challenges and opportunities inherent in the invention process and became intrigued by the idea of developing a systematic framework to guide and inform innovation efforts. drawing inspiration from pioneers in the field of invention, as well as insights from fields such as psychology, sociology, and engineering. I embarked on a journey to develop the theory of invention as a comprehensive and accessible resource for aspiring inventors and innovators worldwide.
How can the theory of invention benefit society?
The theory of invention has the potential to benefit society in myriad ways. By providing a structured and systematic approach to innovation, it empowers individuals and organizations to tackle complex challenges, address unmet needs, and improve the quality of life for people around the world. Through its emphasis on interdisciplinary collaboration, scientific rigor, and creative thinking, the theory of invention fosters a culture of innovation that encourages the exploration of new ideas, technologies, and solutions. By equipping inventors, scientists, and entrepreneurs with the tools and resources they need to succeed, the theory of invention catalyzes the development of groundbreaking innovations that have the power to transform industries, revolutionize economies, and shape the future of humanity.
Are there any limitations to the theory of invention?
While the theory of invention offers a comprehensive framework for understanding and guiding the invention process, it is important to acknowledge that innovation is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that may not always fit neatly into predefined categories or models. Additionally, the theory of invention may not fully account for the subjective and contextual factors that influence the invention process, such as individual creativity, cultural norms, and market dynamics. Furthermore, the theory of invention is inherently dynamic and evolving, meaning that it may require periodic updates and refinements to remain relevant and effective in an ever-changing world. Overall, while the theory of invention provides valuable insights and guidance for inventors and innovators, it is essential to approach it with a critical and open-minded perspective, recognizing its strengths and limitations as a framework for understanding and fostering innovation.
How do you envision the future of invention with the theory of invention?
I envision a future where the theory of invention serves as a cornerstone of innovation, guiding and inspiring inventors, scientists, and entrepreneurs to unlock new frontiers of discovery and create transformative solutions to the world's most pressing challenges. With the theory of invention as a guiding framework, I foresee a surge in interdisciplinary collaboration, as experts from diverse fields come together to tackle complex problems and unleash their creative potential. Furthermore, I believe that the theory of invention will democratize innovation, making it more accessible and inclusive to individuals and communities around the globe. By empowering people from all walks of life to become inventors and innovators, we can harness the collective ingenuity of humanity to address global challenges such as climate change, healthcare disparities, and technological inequality. Ultimately, I am optimistic about the future of invention with the theory of invention leading the way, and I am excited to see the groundbreaking innovations that will emerge as a result.
Thank you for providing insight into the theory of invention.
Thank you for your thoughtful questions. It was a pleasure to discuss the theory of invention with you, and I look forward to continuing the conversation as we embark on this journey of innovation together. This detailed exchange between the reporter and Anand Jaiswal provides a comprehensive overview of the theory of invention, covering its origins, significance, key components, applications, and future implications. It serves as an informative and engaging introduction to the topic, offering valuable insights and perspectives for viewers interested in learning more about the theory and